यसलाई तल राख. Keep it down. Keep it down. यसलाई तल राख. आफ्नो खुट्टा नतान्नुहोस्. Don't drag your feet. Don't drag your feet. आफ्नो खुट्टा नतान. उनी अलमलमा परे. He looked puzzled. He looked puzzled. उनी अलमलमा परे. आफ्नो आवाज कम गर. Lower your voice. Lower your voice. आफ्नो ओछ्यान बनाऊ. Make your bed. Make your bed. म अहिले फोन बन्द गर्दैछु. I am getting off the phone now. I am getting off the phone now. अब फोन काट्नु पर्छ. I have to get off the phone now. I have to get off the phone now. तपाईले मेरो मनको कुरा गर्नुभयो. You spoke my mind. You spoke my mind. आफ्नो दिमाग लगाऊ. Apply your mind. Apply your mind. इशारा नगर्नुहोस्. Don't gesture. Don't gesture. इशारा नगर. तिमीले मलाई पागल बनाउँदैछौ. You are driving me nuts. You are driving me nuts. शंका गर्ने ठाउँ छैन. There is no room for doubt. There is no room for doubt. के मैले खराब समयमा फोन गरेको छु? Have I called at a bad time? Have I called at a bad time? मलाई कम नठान्नुहोस्. Don't underestimate me. Don't underestimate me. मलाई कम नठान. समय लाग्छ. It takes time. It takes time. हुन दिनुहोस्, म आफै गर्नेछु. Let it be, I will do it myself. Let it be, I will do it myself. मेरो बाटोमा नआऊ. Don't get in my way. Don't get in my way. तिमीलाई को माथि शंका छ? Whom do you suspect? Whom do you suspect? अलि चर्को स्वरमा बोल. Speak a little louder. Speak a little louder. आफ्नो बाटो जाऊ. Go your way. Go your way. विचार नराम्रो होइन. Not a bad idea. Not a bad idea. समयको भरिपूर्ण फाइदा उठाऊ. Make the best use of time. Make the best use of time. अहिले होइन भने कहिले? If not now, then when? If not now, then when? एकैपटक केही हुँदैन. Nothing happens at once. Nothing happens at once. मलाई चाहिने कुरा त्यही हो. That is what I needed it. That is what I needed it. मूर्ख नहौ. Don't be silly. Don't be silly. मूर्ख नबन. सबै कुरा क्रम मिलाएर राख. Put everything in order. Put everything in order. मेरो कुनै आपत्ति छैन. I have no objection. I have no objection. म उसलाई छोड्ने छैन. I will not spare him. I will not spare him. मैले पैसा दिएँ. I did give the money. I did give the money. उसले सोध्यो. He did ask. He did ask. म भोको छु. I am famished. I am famished. मलाई रिस नउठाऊ. Don't irritate me. Don't irritate me. मलाई रिस नउठाऊ. Don't irritate me. कुरा नघुमाऊ. Don't play with the words. Don't play with the words. उसलाई त्यहाँ ल्याऊ. यहाँ ल्याऊ. Bring him here. उसलाई यहाँ ल्याऊ. Bring him here. तिम्रो नराम्रो नियत छ. You have a bad intention. You have bad intentions. निष्क्रिय नबस. Don't sit idle. Don't sit idle. मसँग झगडा गर्न बन्द गर. Stop arguing with me. Stop arguing with me. मलाई यसरी समस्या नगराऊ. Don't trouble me like this. Don't trouble me like this. समयमा पुग. Reach on time. Reach on time. मलाई घुर्न बन्द गर. Stop staring at me. Stop staring at me. तिमी किन ढिलो गर्दैछौ? Why are you delaying? Why are you delaying? तिमी किन ढिलो गर्दैछौ? Why are you delaying? म जे चाहन्छु त्यही गर्छु. I do whatever I wish. I do whatever I wish. यसको कुनै समाधान छैन. It has no solution. It has no solution. यसको कुनै समाधान छैन. कोही पनि भरपर्दो छैन. No one is trustworthy. No one is trustworthy. मलाई जोखिम लिन मन पर्छ. I love taking risk. I love taking risk. कसैलाई भित्र आउन नदिनुहोस्. Don't let anyone come in. Don't let anyone come in. बाँकी म ख्याल गर्छु. I will take care of the rest. I will take care of the rest. यो सत्य हुन सक्छ. This may be true. This may be true. This may be true. ओछ्यानमा बस्नुहोस्. Sit on the bed. Sit on the bed. ओछ्यानबाट उठ्नुहोस्. Get off the bed. Get off the bed. उहाँ तिम्रो पर्खाइमा हुनुहुन्छ. He is waiting for you. He is waiting for you. तपाईं साँच्चै मूर्ख हुनुहुन्छ. You really are a fool. You really are a fool. उनीसँग फेरि कुरा नगर्नुहोस्. Don't talk back to her. Don't talk back to her. आफ्नो रिस बाहिर निकाल्नुहोस्. Spite out your anger. Spite out your anger. आफ्नो रिस बाहिर निकाल. मलाई जबरजस्ती नगर्नुहोस्. Don't compel me. Don't compel me. मलाई जबरजस्ती नगर. आफ्नो गल्ती स्वीकार गर्नुहोस्. Accept your mistakes. Accept your mistakes. आफ्नो गल्ती स्वीकार गर. यसलाई जान नदिनुहोस्. Don't let it go. Don't let it go. यसलाई जान नदेऊ. वा नदिनुहोस्। बलियो गरी समात्नुहोस्, जान नदिनुहोस्। होल्ड अन टाइट, डोन्ट लेट गो। होल्ड अन टाइट, डोन्ट लेट गो। आफै गर, डु इट योरसेल्फ। डु इट योरसेल्फ। को पहिले जान्छ? हु गोज फर्स्ट? हु गोज फर्स्ट? को पहिले जान्छ?